Sabi mo?
What?
Sabi mo?
Yes. It's not talking.
Alin?
It's not talking to me.
Alin?
It's not talking to me.
Alin nga?
The baby.
Saan may baby?
Here.
Ilan ang baby dyan?
He's, is sleeping.
Bakit? Gusto mo ba ng baby? Ilan? How many babies you want?
The baby.
Ilan? How many?
Baby.
Two?
Yes.
Hindi mo na kaya alagaan si Timmy. You want another Timmy?
Yes.
Why? Why you want baby?
Kasi
Kasi ano?
I don't like to go to school.
Why?
I want another baby.
Bakit pag may baby di ka na mapunta sa school?
Yes.
Why? You need to go to school.
And Timmy.
Next time you will go with Timmy na sa school.
Up to babies.
Timmy and you will go to school.